This video was filmed on May 9, 2026 at the Lann-Bihoué airshow in France. The aircraft in the video is not the common C-47, but a C-53 nicknamed the Skytrooper. Both the C-47 and C-53 were military transport aircraft converted from the Douglas DC-3 civilian airliner, and both were widely used during World War II. Although they look extremely similar, their design and purpose differed. The C-47 was a multi-role tactical transport aircraft, while the C-53 was a dedicated paratrooper and personnel transport aircraft. The C-53 retained a single opening hatch, similar to the DC-3 civilian airliner, for personnel only, and its floor was not reinforced, making it unsuitable for transporting heavy cargo. The aircraft in the video is a C-53D, manufactured in June 1943 at the Douglas Santa Monica factory. During World War II, it served extensively in the Mediterranean and European, including transporting the 82nd Airborne Division during Operation Giants at Salerno. During the Battle of the Bulge, it was severely damaged while towing a glider to Belgium, but eventually returned safely to Britain. It also carried out mission to evacuate wounded soldiers from France to Britain. After being retired, the aircraft was converted to civilian use. Later, after being restored by the Britannia Aviation Museum, it returned to the skies in 2024, retaining its wartime paid T-3003. Gruesome. Please continue enjoying the video, and feel free to click like and subscribe my channel.